Starting vlog. Clearing the throat. Make sure I talk clearly. Shades on for that Casey Neistat trick. I always manage to do vlogs in my truck, just because it ends up having the great sound with the sound deadening. What's going on, YouTube? Tom here, just a little behind the scenes for you. Today, I'm going to explain to you how to stop squeaks and rattles in your vehicle for free. I'm telling you, this is a trick that's going to help so much when you're driving down the road and you get those little squeaks and rattles and you can't seem to fix them any other way. This method, free. It's not going to cost you a dime other than a few, probably seconds of your time. So without further ado, I'm going to explain the 3 steps. Step 1. Go ahead and start the vehicle. Step 2. Go ahead and select your favorite song or radio station. Now step 3. Turn it up as loud as it'll possibly go. If you like this little trick, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you all think. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. I got more little tricks. And don't worry, some of them aren't a joke like this one. Please don't take this too seriously. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.